Hey friends, how are y'all doing today? I'm doing well. I'm gonna keep this short and sweet. We're just gonna do something different with my hair because look how much it's faded in the back. In the front, it's like a whole different head of hair, but I wanted it to last till Christmas and I'm just frustrated with it. So I've got Pulp Riot Bloodshot. I've not used this before, so let's go ahead and put this in a bowl. Alright, so here it is. So I forgot to mention in the beginning that the bloodshot color is described as like a Merlot, which is usually like a wine color, and it's usually like a deep red with some purple undertone, and I want you to keep that in mind when we're thinking about the end result. It looks super good when it was like in the bowl, and when I was putting it on, it was the color I more so thought it was gonna be, but now looking at my hair as I'm applying it, I guess I do have a lot of purple in it where that green was supposed to be. So the Christmas hair we're getting by Christmas is not the Christmas hair we expected, but it's what we got. So while I was putting this on, I just wanted to take a second to talk to you guys and tell you thank you so much for all the support over the past couple weeks. Especially during Vlogmas. I've been working really hard to get content out, and I challenged myself with Vlogmas just honestly to see like how well I could do and how creative I could get with it and how fast I could get content out for you. So it's been a real big challenge for me, and I want to say thank you so much for all the new subscribers I've had. I also want to ask a favor. I want you to tell me down below what kind of content you want to see the most from this channel, like from here on out, because I think I want to start focusing more on the quality of my videos over the quantity. I was doing quantity for a while because in one of the videos I watched when I started my channel said that would be a good way to like get new subscribers, is to like just have a lot of videos for people to watch. And I want to really, I've got a pretty good idea of what I want from the channel. I want to stick to, obviously, coloring my hair, and I really want to get into gaming content and makeup. I'd like to do, but the makeup videos, I don't know if you guys actually like them or what, so please let me know down below what your favorite thing to watch from me is. But yeah. So I would really appreciate that, and yeah, I'm really looking forward to the new year. I'm really looking forward to spicing the channel up, and I don't know, I know like a few things that I already have planned out after Vlogmas what I want to do, and I wouldn't mind having like a really set upload schedule. I don't know how often, maybe like twice a week. I was going for once a week, but with Vlogmas I feel like I'm getting content out pretty well, but if I do better quality videos then maybe I'd do once a week. I don't know. When I start like doing some gaming videos I'll see how everything goes, but I just hope everyone's having a good holiday season and everything, and I don't know, I just thought I'd talk to you for a minute while I was putting this color on my hair, because when I was filming this I was dead tired and I didn't feel like talking, so I was like, that's okay. But yeah, so I just wanted to thank you again so much for the support, and it really means a lot liking the video, commenting, and subscribing to the channel. I can't even tell you how much I appreciate it and how much it means to me. So thank you again. I know it's just hair coloring, but I just wanted to tell you guys that while I have a second. But anyway, you're about to see the result. Oh Lord. Let me know what you think of it, because I don't think I'm going to be keeping this color for long, if I'm being completely and totally honest with you. Alright guys, what do we think? Let me know down in the comments, like, right now what you think, because I hate it. I don't know, like, I know that it was like a Merlot color, but it's definitely more purple based than I thought it would be. It's giving my Cherry Coke Zero can right now. I don't know, man. So we're gonna do the countdown real quick. We actually have to change the entire setup. Okay, we're gonna put that right there and this right here. It's 9 days till Christmas. Yeah, I kind of wish I didn't do this color, I'm being honest. Overall, I'm not feeling it. Like up here it looks more red, and then at the ends it's like straight purple. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think if I wasn't going for such like a red Christmas that it wouldn't be as bad, but anyway, so that was Merlot, like Pulp Riot Bloodshot little adventure we went on. So anyway, I will see you in tomorrow's Vlogmas video. I'm sorry I'm so out of it. I'm just like getting run down and tired. So anyway, I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.